If you want to learn how to tie your fishing hook to your fishing line, keep watching. So the knot I'm showing you today is called a clinch knot. It's one of the easiest ways to get your line on a fishing hook. Okay, so every fishing hook comes up and it has an eye. It has a little hole at the top for you to put your line through. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take our line, put it through that eye. Okay, give yourself some slack to work with. What you need to do now is you need to wrap this part that you just put through around your line 6 times. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, we take this, a little bit of extra slack here, and put it through the hole between the eye of your hook and this long line of loops that we just did, long line of wraps. So put it through there, and when you wrap down and put it through there, you make another hole right here. So putting it through here and back up through that loop we just created. Now hold on to this and grab your long line. You just simply pull the line. Now on a fishing pole, this would cinch down onto your hook. This paracord is a little bit grippy, so it's not going to do that for me, but essentially it'll come down and tighten down on itself, making a nice little knot to hold your hook. That's it. That's all there is to it. Stick around. I'm going to show you using a real hook and a real line so you can get a better idea of how it's supposed to look. All right, we're doing this the same way as we did before, only this time we have a real line and a real hook. So we take our line and we put it through the eye of the hook, pull it up through, and we are going to wrap it around 6 times. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we take it and put it through the bottom loop right next to the eye. I'm tightening it up a little bit to make things easier for myself. And then we're going to take it and put it up through the new loop we created. Now, try your best to not let that slip away and hold onto your hook and your main line. And at this point, you simply want to pull your main line and tighten it down for yourself. Hold on to your main line and pull. See how it's tightening down? That will create its nice little clinch knot. Make sure it's snug. If you got to pull any of the loops a little bit tighter to make sure it's tight. You don't want any gaps. You don't want any tiny loops in that are sticking out. You want to make sure that is tight. Otherwise it'll unravel. So make sure everything's tightened up. Give it some extra snugs. And I like to use fingernail clippers to cut off any excess line that I have. There we go. There is your clinch knot. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. You guys know what to do. Leave me a comment down below. I read every one. Let me know what I should do next. Stick around. I got some extras, some bonus scenes, that type of thing. Enjoy. Ivy, that's a duck.
First catch of the day.
Yeah, hold that up.
Ooh, get that thing away from me.
Hold it up.
Sad?
If you want to learn how to tie your fishing hook to your, we're getting a video here. If you want to learn how to tie your fishing hook to your fishing line, keep watching. That might work. Water's a bit shallow here. I want a good video for if I catch something. What do you think? I'll have proof that you're not the only one that catches fish around here. If you want to learn how to stick a hook on a line, keep watching. Huh? I'm gonna catch a fish, Ivan.